So today in Java programming language, we are going to make a simple program in which we are going to combine our decision control construct with looping construct. That is, we are going to combine while loop with if else and else if. So let's get started. We'll make a simple calculator, and which we have already made, but previously it was just made with else if else, and now we're going to have a while also. So you can name it like this, finish it. So what we will do, we will ask for two numbers and an operator from the user, and depending upon the operator which user gave or user inputs, we will do the computation and show the result to the user. So what we will do, we will input the variables. For that we have to have a scanner class. So let me import it like this, and I'll make three scanner objects, one for first number, second for second number, and third for the operator. Okay, so let me make it for you. Say the values be num1 and num1 and num2. Let it be double. Two values on which the operation will be performed will be num1 and num2, and the operator which will be used to operate on them will be like this. So it will be a string, and these num1 and num2 will be double, and I'll make two, or rather three scanner classes or objects specifically. For this is for num1, IP num1, input number 1, and second num2, and third IP, say it to be IP OP for operator. So now our actual program starts, and what we have assumed that we are going to make a calculator with a while loop, and inside it we will choose the options using if and else if. So let us say while true. Well, this loop will go on forever, because while true it will always be true, but you know how to go out of it, you come out of it. You can use break at some check, but what our basic idea today is that we are going to accept first number. We'll say user to give first number, we'll take it in next double, that means IP num1 dot next double, and the value should be given to num1 in this manner. IP num1 dot next double will be given to num1. In the similar fashion, to number 2 we have to give number 2 as per user have entered, IP num2. This IP num2 is required, so what we'll do is we'll say now IP num2. And again, one more expectation from the user is to provide the operator. And what we'll do, we'll say that you have to give four operators, that is plus, comma, minus, comma, asterisk for multiplication, and then finally division, the slash. Okay, now the operator is being received. Let's start with our decision control construct. If operator equals plus, if OP dot equals, if OP dot equals, and what we have to use here, plus, so that is a string, so I will just give it inside a double quote. What we'll do, we'll just system.out.println num1 plus num2. We have to print the addition of the number which has been given by the user. and in the similar way we'll give. Now if is being checked, if it is not the case, we will give else if, and again the similar line, but we have to check for an operator whether it is a minus, in this way, minus. Okay, and then we have to print the number as num1 minus num2 in this way, and we will repeat this code for multiplication and division also. Multiplication for division, for multiplication we have to use into, here into, and for division we have to use the backslash. Remember, this program will run forever, because while true means always true, you have to place a code to come out of it, and you know how to come out of it. You have to use a break at any user input, but that is not the idea of this program. This idea of the program today, which I am explaining, is only how to use decision control with a while that is a looping construct. So let me add one more else, that if these are not the inputs, then we have to show the user that the input is unrecognizable. That means we don't know it, user does not want it, the program will not give any result on that. So I guess a program is ready to be executed. First number say 4, second number say 5, what should be the first operator, say into. So this is the result. Say one more input, so 6, and say 1, and let us find the subtraction result, and it will be 5. So this is how our program is running, and we have known how to use our while with the else if construct. So thank you so much, take care.